Hello friends and welcome to the Coin Engineer YouTube channel. As you know, Cristiano Ronaldo and Binance are planning to launch a private NFT collection for a while. Recently, Binance announced an article about how to buy an NFT from this private collection, and today we will show you how to. But before we start, subscribe to our channel, turn on the notifications and follow our other social media accounts such as our Twitter and Telegram channels to keep up with our latest videos and upcoming events. Now, let's get started. I think we all know who Cristiano Ronaldo is and what Binance is, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this right now. Thus, I will skip the introduction part and cut to the chase. Besides, we don't have much time left anyway. Binance announced its new NFT partnership with world-famous football player Cristiano Ronaldo months ago, but recently they published an article about how to buy an NFT from this collection. And this is important because in less than 7 hours, Binance will launch its NFT mystery box sale for rare and normal rarities of this collection, in addition to the upcoming SSR and SR NFT auction. Let me remind you that these kinds of collections are private merchandises that provide access to certain rights for a specific segment, so they do not necessarily need to be profitable. You can think of this sale as a private membership for a private group. SSR and SR owners certainly get better service than the rare and normal rarity owners. For that reason, don't think of this as an investment. Here you can see which benefits you can have by owning this NFT. For example, you can get an automated whitelist for future NFT collections or signed merchandise from Ronaldo. As I said earlier, there will be 6,645 NFTs in total in 4 different rarities in this collection. There will be 5 SSR and 40 SR NFTs on the auction starting today till tomorrow. The beginning price of the SSR at 10,000 Binance USD and the SR will be 1,700 Binance USD. If you're not interested in this auction, you can purchase one rare mystery box for 700 Binance USD or 7 normal mystery boxes for 77 Binance USD per NFT. Now let's have a look at the participation requirements. Like in the previous Binance NFT events, you must first have an account and complete your KYC process. You can sign up with the link below this video for lifetime discounts on your transactions. Also, you can watch our Binance tutorials to learn how to complete your KYC process. There will be 4 stages: preparation, subscription, calculation, and distribution. The event will start today and end in 3 days. You must hold at least 0.1 BNB in your spot wallet during the preparation. After this stage, you can stake your 0.1 BNB for the subscription. Either you win or lose, you will have your staked BNB back in your spot wallet after the distribution. Based on the number of the tickets you win, you can purchase the NFT box from here. Later you can open them, sell them, or keep them for upcoming events. You can learn more about how to use the Binance NFT platform from our NFT tutorials. Don't forget to drop a like under this video and subscribe to our channels to keep up with our latest videos and upcoming events. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.